And right now, right here, I am here at the second deck of our elevator. I mean the cabin is here at the second deck where this elevator was stuck. And this is where I will going to start or to continue my troubleshooting of this problem of this elevator. So this is the levels where this elevator is functioning, from captain's deck, C deck, B deck, A deck, boat deck, upper deck, second deck, and third deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 levels of our ship. So wish me luck. Anyway, our elevator is having a capacity of 5 persons only, with a kilograms of 400 kilograms. So this elevator is a Morea, brand is Morea. And what we have here is this is our emergency exit in case we have something problem with our elevator. So we can exit from this one, going out to the upper part of our ship. The exit trunk is at the bridge level. So I'll continue with my troubleshooting and will update you later on.